Exercise 11.3, first question. We have in this, for these ellipses, we have to find the coordinates of the foci, vertices, length of the major axis, minor axis, eccentricity and length of the latus rectum. So consider the first one, x square by 36 plus y square by 16 equal to 1. Here the denominator of x square term. So for this term, denominator is bigger than this denominator. 36 is bigger than 16. So it is first type ellipse. In that, this is the first type ellipse. So this is the first type ellipse. Equation of that ellipse is x square by a square. For this, standard form is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. This is a standard form of this type of ellipse. And comparing with the standard form, we can find a and b. So here x square by a square, that is x square by 36. So a square equal to 36. Compare with the standard form. So a square equal to 36. Therefore, a equal to 6. Remember that a, b, c are positive numbers. B square equal to 36. Sorry, B square equal to 16. Therefore, B equal to 4. So, A equal to 6, B equal to 4. B square equal to 16. Now, we got A and B. Now, question is find the coordinates of foci. Foci is plus or minus C0. See, in this type ellipse, foci lie on x-axis. This is x-axis. So, foci plus or minus C0. So, we want to find C. From A and B, we have to find C. Using the relation A square equal to B square plus C square. So, A square, that is 36. 36 equal to B square, that is 16 plus C square. So, C square equal to 36 minus 16, that is equal to 20. Therefore, C equal to root of 20, that is equal to 2 root 5. So, here C square equal to 20, 36 minus 16, 36 minus 16. Therefore, C equal to root of 20, that is 20 is 4 into 5. So, that is 2 root 5. So, we got C. Now, we can write all the things asked. So, here this foci and vertices. These are the foci and these are the vertices. They lie along the x-axis. So, y coordinate is 0 for these two things. Now we can write the first one foci. Therefore foci equal to plus or minus c comma 0. So for the first type ellipse, foci are plus or minus c comma 0. That is equal to plus or minus c, that is 2 root 5. Plus or minus 2 root 5 comma 0. Then vertices equal to plus or minus a comma 0. That is a equal to 6. Therefore, plus or minus 6 comma 0. Now, vertices, length of the major axis. Length of major axis. Length of major axis equal to 2a. That is 2 into a equal to 6. 2 into 6, 12. That is equal to 12. Then, length of the minor axis. Length of minor axis equal to 2b, that is equal to 2 into b equal to 4. So 2 into 4, that is 8. So length of minor axis 8. Then eccentricity E equal to c by a, that is equal to c equal to 2 root 5. 2 root 5 divided by a equal to 6. So 2 root 5 by 6, that is equal to root 5 by 3. So eccentricity E equal to root 5 by 3. Then eccentricity, then length of the latus rectum. Length of latus rectum equal to 2b square by a. 2 into b square by a. So b 4 a 6. So 2 into b square, that is 4 square So A equal to 6, B equal to 4. So 2b square by A. So 2 into b square, that is 4 square, divided by A, that is 6. So cancel this, we get 3. So 4 square, 16 by 3. So lattice rectum, length of the lattice rectum equal to 16 by 3. So we found all the values. Now see the second question. So here x square by, second question, x square by 4 plus y square by 25 equal to 1. Here denominator of this term, x square term, denominator 4, here denominator 25. So denominator of this x square term is less, 4 is less than 25. So it is second type ellipse. That means here second type ellipse is this type. So this is second type ellipse. Here the vertices lie along the y-axis. So this is y-axis. This is x-axis. So vertices and foci lie along the y-axis. So here compare with the standard form. This form of equation. Equation of this type of ellipse is x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. So compare with the standard form and find b and a. So b square equal to 4, a square equal to 25. So b equal to 2, a equal to 5. Then we can find c, a square equal to b square plus c square. So 25 equal to 4 plus c square. Therefore c square equal to 21. So c equal to root of 21. So we got c. Now we can write all the things asked. So foci. Here foci equal to, here this foci and vertices lie along y-axis. So x coordinate will be 0. So foci is 0 plus or minus c. That is equal to 0 plus or minus c. That is plus or minus root 21. Then vertices equal to 0 plus or minus a. That is equal to 0 plus or minus 5. Then major axis, length of major axis equal to 2a, that is 2 into 5, that is 10. Then minor axis 2b, that is 2 into b, 2, that is equal to 4. Then eccentricity, e equal to c by a. C, what is c? C equal to root of 21. Root 21 by a is 5. Now length of lattice rectum. So length of lattice rectum equal to 2b square by a. So 2 into b square, that is 4. 4 by a is 5. So 8 by 5, that is equal to 8 by 5. So we got all the values. Now see question number 7. So similarly, only there are two types of ellipses. So this is first type, this is second type. So you same way you can find all such questions. Now 7th one, 36x square plus 4y square equal to 144. So we have to write in the standard form. Here 144, you have to divide by 144. So we get, dividing by 144, we get x square by, here when we divide, we get x square by 4. X square by 4. 36 x square divided by 144. Cancelling 36, you will get x square by 4. Similarly, here you will get y square by 36 equal to 1. So dividing by 144, you will get this. Now here denominator of this x square term, a4 less than 36. So this is second type ellipse. So vertices and foci will be on the y-axis. Therefore, it will be of the form 0 plus or minus in this form. So we have to compare with the standard form, that is x square by b square plus y square by a square equal to 1. So this is the standard form of equation of ellipse. in the second type, this second type ellipse, this is the standard form. So compare with the standard form and find A and B. So B square equal to 4. So B equal to 2. A square equal to 36. So A equal to 6. Now we can find all these things. Foci is, so this is second type ellipse. Therefore foci is 0 plus or minus C. So now we have to find C. A square equal to B square plus C square. So C square equal to A square minus B square. That is 36 minus 4. That is equal to 32. So C equal to root of 32. That is 16 into 2, 32. So 4 root 2. 16 into 2, 32. Therefore, we get 4 root 2. So we got C. So 0 plus or minus C. That means 0 plus or minus 4 root 2. C. 0 plus or minus C. 0 plus or minus 4 root 2. Vertices 0 plus or minus A. 0 plus or minus 6. Plus or minus 6. Then length of major axis 2A. So 2 into 6, 12. 12. Then minor axis 2B. 2 into 2, 4. Correct, same. Then E equal to C by A. C. So E equal to 4 root 2. 4 root 2 divided by A. A is 6. So that is equal to 4 root 2 by 6. That is 2 root 2 by 3. 2 root 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Root 2. Now lattice rectum 2B square by A. So 2 into B square. 2 into 2 square. That is 2 into 4 by A. A is 6. That is cancel this 3. 4 by 3. So length of the lattice rectum 4 by 3. Now similarly we can do the ninth one. That is 4x square. Okay, we'll do in the next session.